Today we are going to talk about nanomaterials and nanostructure. This nanomaterial is a product of nanotechnology and we are going to deal with it. Nanomaterials, as you can see, is the materials of at least one dimension between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer are known as nanomaterials. This can be classified into two. They are nanostructure and nanoparticle. In nanostructure, generally it is in the form of tube with a diameter 1 to 100 nanometer. Examples are CNTs. We are going to deal with CNTs. They are carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes can be considered as cylinders formed by rolling or folding of a graphene sheet. There are two types of carbon nanotubes. Single-walled carbon nanotube, first figure, and multi-walled carbon nanotube, as you can see, it is in the second figure. Now, single-walled carbon nanotube, SWCNT. It is the single folding of thick layer of graphene sheet. The SWCNT has three different types: armchair, zigzag, chiral or helical. These three types of SWCNT are formed by folding of graphene sheet in three different ways. We can see that here folded graphene sheet in three different ways. The zigzag and armchair SWCNT are achiral, while helical SWCNT is chiral. The armchair SWCNT shows electrical conductivity, but zigzag and helical SWCNT are act as semiconductors. The folding is shown as in figure: armchair, zigzag and chiral or helical. In chiral or helical we can see a tilt. Then multi-walled carbon nanotubes. It can be considered as collection of concentric SWCNT with different diameters. It is multiple rolled layers or concentric tubes of graphene. Then synthesis of carbon nanotubes can be done in three ways. They are arc discharge method, laser ablation, chemical vapor deposition. And we are comparing SWCNT versus MWCNT. MWCNTs have similar properties to SWCNTs. The outer walls on MWCNTs can protect the inner carbon nanotubes from chemical interactions with outside materials. MWCNTs are also a higher tensile strength than SCNTs.